Hi everyone, Sasha here from Homedesigns.ai. Today I'm super excited to share with you the latest new features from Home Designs, and trust me on this, these are a complete game changer. Let's dive right in. First up, we now have the ability to generate any design into its very own video. So when you hover over a design you've just created, you'll see this icon right here, and if you click on this, it gives you several different options to convert that still image into a video, such as pan up, pan down, zoom in, zoom out. There's so many different camera angles that you can explore. With just a click, your static image becomes a smooth, professional looking video, perfect for client previews, presentations, or social media posts. Next, let's talk about a major new addition, the 2D to 3D floor plan tool. You can find this right on the dashboard, so just upload an image of a 2D floor plan and Home Designs will transform it into a detailed 3D layout. This is incredibly useful whether you're an architect trying to visualize a new build or a homeowner planning a renovation. You can walk through the design, get a true sense of scale, and see the layout before you actually start construction. Another big update is inside the furniture remover tool. Instead of manually highlighting every single item, there's now a remove all furniture toggle right here. So if you select that, it will remove all of the furniture instantly. This saves so much time and gives you a clean slate to work with. Now let's talk about one of the most exciting features yet, the image to 3D object tool. You can find this under the furniture creator tool on the dashboard. Here's how it works. So simply type in a prompt of the piece of furniture that you want the AI to create. Once the image is created, hover over it, and right here you can see the 3D button. After a few minutes, the 2D image transforms into a fully dynamic 3D model. You can rotate it, view it from every angle, and visualize how it will look exactly in your space. This is a huge leap forward in custom furniture design. Next, we got the Estimator Budget Tool. Just hover over your image to access it. Choose the type of budget from economical to high end, and it will instantly give you a breakdown of all of the costs. Whether you're decorating a room or pricing out a full renovation, this is super useful and will help you avoid any unpleasant surprises. Finally, the one-click virtual staging tool. So all you need to do is upload your image of the space and select your preferred design style, and instantly AI will virtually stage your room while keeping structural elements such as the floor and walls the same. And that's it for the latest Homedesigns.ai updates. These features are live right now, so jump in and try them out. Thank you for watching, and if you need our assistance, our support team is here to help.